Does it bother you down here? What?
I feel like it was all the way back there.